Men over 60, I'm Dr. Sarah, and I need you to hear this. Your strength is not gone. It's just been waiting for the right signal. As men move into their 60 seconds and beyond, the body naturally experiences changes. And one of the most important, but often overlooked changes is reduced blood circulation. Blood flow is the foundation of male vitality, energy, and firmness. Yet many men mistakenly believe that declining performance is inevitable with age. In reality, the body is highly responsive when given the right signals. Proper circulation delivers oxygen and nutrients to tissues, supports nerve sensitivity, and keeps muscles and blood vessels flexible. When blood flow weakens due to inactivity, stress, or poor habits, responsiveness decreases, but this process is not permanent. Simple daily actions can reawaken the body's natural systems, and one of the most effective yet underestimated methods is a focused shower routine. Warm water helps relax blood vessels, allowing them to expand and improve circulation throughout the body, while brief exposure to cooler water gently stimulates vascular contraction, training blood vessels to become stronger and more responsive. This alternating stimulation acts like exercise for the circulatory system, encouraging healthier blood movement without strain or medication. For men over 60, this is especially valuable because it works with the body rather than against it. Improved circulation supports firmness by ensuring that blood reaches where it is needed efficiently and stays there longer, while also enhancing overall energy levels throughout the day. Better blood flow also supports heart health, reduces stiffness, and improves recovery, which further contributes to confidence and physical capability. Beyond the physical benefits, this process sends a powerful message to the nervous system that the body is active, alert, and capable, reinforcing positive responses over time. Stress hormones, which restrict blood vessels, begin to decrease while relaxation and focus increase, creating the ideal internal environment for strength and control. Many men search for complex solutions, overlooking the fact that the body often responds best to consistent natural stimulation. A simple 5-minute shower routine becomes a daily reset, reminding the circulatory system how to function efficiently and powerfully. Over time, this consistency builds momentum, allowing the body to respond more quickly and reliably. The result is not just improved firmness, but a renewed sense of vitality that carries into daily life, from better sleep to improved mood and physical confidence. When blood flow is restored and supported, the body remembers what it is capable of, proving that age does not remove strength. It simply requires smarter care and intentional habits to unlock it again. As men move past 60, many changes attributed to aging are actually rooted in how the nervous system responds to daily stress, fatigue, and inactivity. The nervous system is the command center of the body, controlling arousal, sensitivity, muscle tone, and blood vessel response. When this system becomes overstimulated by stress or understimulated by routine and sedentary habits, signals weaken and reactions slow down. This is why performance issues often appear even when physical health seems otherwise stable. The body is not broken. It is simply receiving dull or conflicting signals. A focused warm to cool shower routine can act as a powerful reset for the nervous system by providing clear, intentional stimulation. Warm water activates the parasympathetic system, which promotes relaxation, reduces cortisol, and allows the body to let go of tension that blocks proper signaling. When tension drops, nerve communication improves and responsiveness increases. Brief exposure to cooler water then activates the sympathetic nervous system, sharpening alertness, improving nerve firing, and increasing sensory awareness. This controlled contrast trains the nervous system to shift smoothly between relaxation and activation, which is essential for strong, reliable responses. Over time, this practice improves the speed and clarity of nerve signals, allowing the body to react more confidently and efficiently. For men over 60, this is especially important because nerve sensitivity naturally declines with age, but it is highly trainable. Regular nervous system stimulation enhances coordination between the brain and the body, reinforcing patterns associated with strength, control, and endurance. The shower becomes more than hygiene, it becomes a daily neurological exercise. Improved nervous system balance also supports better hormone signaling, which influences energy, mood, and motivation. When the nervous system is calm yet responsive, the body enters an optimal state where blood vessels respond quickly, muscles engage appropriately, and sensitivity is restored. This reduces performance anxiety, which is often driven by an overactive stress response, and replaces it with a sense of control and readiness. The mental benefits are just as important as the physical ones. Clear nerve signaling improves focus, confidence, and body awareness, helping men feel connected to their physical capabilities again. Over time, the nervous system begins to anticipate positive outcomes rather than stress, reinforcing healthier responses without conscious effort. This daily ritual creates a reliable feedback loop in which the body learns to respond with strength and precision, proving that improved performance is not about forcing results, but about retraining the system that controls them. As men reach their 60s, many are led to believe that medication is the primary or only solution for maintaining male vitality, yet the body often responds more powerfully to consistency than to chemical intervention. While medication may offer temporary effects, it does not retrain the body's natural systems to function efficiently on their own. Daily habits, on the other hand, create lasting change by reinforcing healthy patterns in circulation, hormone balance, and nerve responsiveness. The body is designed to adapt to repeated signals, and when those signals are positive and consistent, performance improves naturally over time. A simple 5-minute shower routine practiced daily can become a reliable stimulus that strengthens the body's internal mechanisms without side effects or dependency. Warm water relaxes muscles and blood vessels, reducing tension that interferes with proper circulation, while brief, cool exposure gently challenges the system, encouraging resilience and adaptability. This repeated exposure conditions the cardiovascular and nervous systems to respond more effectively, much like regular exercise trains muscles. For men over 60, this approach is especially valuable because it respects the body's pace while still producing meaningful results. Consistency also supports hormone regulation, particularly testosterone and stress hormones, which are deeply influenced by daily routines, sleep quality, and stress levels. When the body experiences regular relaxation followed by controlled stimulation, it learns to optimize hormone signaling rather than fluctuate unpredictably. Over time, this leads to improved energy, motivation, and physical responsiveness throughout the day. Unlike medication, which often works in isolation, company, consistent habits improve multiple systems at once, creating a more balanced and sustainable outcome. There is also a psychological advantage to relying on daily rituals rather than pills. Each time a man completes a simple, intentional practice, it reinforces self-trust and confidence, reducing anxiety and performance pressure. This mental shift is critical because stress and doubt can disrupt physical responses more than age itself. Small rituals performed daily send a message to the brain that the body is being cared for, strengthening the mind-body connection. Over weeks and months, these repeated actions compound, creating improvements that feel natural rather than forced. The body begins to respond automatically, without the need for external aids, because it has been trained through repetition. For many men, this return to self-reliance is just as empowering as the physical benefits. By choosing consistency over quick fixes, men give their bodies the opportunity to rebuild strength, responsiveness, and confidence in a way that aligns with long-term health and independence. For men in their 60 seconds and beyond, confidence is often affected not only by physical changes, but by how much attention they give to their own well-being. Self-care is frequently misunderstood as something optional or indulgent, yet it is one of the most practical tools for maintaining strength, control, and self-respect as the body ages. When a man intentionally takes time each day to care for his body, even through a simple routine like a focused 5-minute shower, he sends a powerful signal to both the mind and the nervous system that his health still matters. This sense of purpose and attention reduces internal stress, which is one of the biggest barriers to physical responsiveness. Stress creates tension, restricts blood flow, and disrupts nerve signaling, all of which undermine confidence. By contrast, consistent self-care activates relaxation responses that allow the body to function more smoothly and predictably. Over time, these small actions build a foundation of trust between the mind and the body. A man who regularly invests in his own health begins to feel more in control, less anxious, and more connected to his physical capabilities. This mental shift alone can dramatically influence performance and energy. Self care also restores routine, which provides stability and structure, especially during later stages of life when external demands may decrease. Having a daily ritual reinforces discipline and self respect, reminding the body that it is still active and capable. The physical effects of self care further strengthen confidence by improving circulation, mobility, and relaxation, which translate into better posture, smoother movement, and a more grounded presence. Confidence grows when the body feels supported rather than neglected. Additionally, taking time for oneself fosters mindfulness, allowing men to become more aware of their bodies and less driven by fear or self doubt. This awareness reduces overthinking and performance pressure, replacing it with calm readiness. Over weeks and months, self care becomes more than a habit, it becomes an identity shift. A man no longer sees himself as declining or limited by age, but as someone who actively maintains his health and vitality. This renewed self image influences how he carries himself, interacts with others, and approaches daily challenges. Confidence built through self care is authentic and sustainable because it is rooted in consistent action rather than external validation.